Hi guys, welcome back to,
Srinath, what's this show called again?
Let's keep it as a challenge.
okay then. So welcome back to Cooked for a brand new show. And I have a very special guest today.
I also know we say that every episode.
But let's not complicate things, let's get straight to it.
That's a laptop.
I said very special guest. I didn't say he.
He, she, they, them. I didn't.
So our special guest today is ChatGPT. I have everyone's best friend, Maggie. And I am going to ask ChatGPT for a super innovative recipe or a fusion recipe that I can make with Maggie. So let's get typing. Give me the most innovative fusion recipe with Maggi noodles. Sure, here's an innovative fusion recipe using Maggi noodles, Spicy Maggi Pizza Paratha. So that's what's the suggestion. Do you think we should make it? 2 packets of Maggi noodles. There, 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Water as needed. 1 tablespoon of oil. 1 small onion. Bell pepper, tomato, green chili, garam masala, red chili powder, salt, grated cheese. I have all my ingredients, so let's get them prepped. And the first instruction says, cook the Maggi noodles according to the package instructions, but reduce the cooking time by 1 minute.
Isn't Maggie a 2-minute thing?
And here's where I want to emphasize to you guys on the fact that I'm going to stick to every single instruction given to me by ChatGPT to the dot. So I'm not even going to deviate slightly. And the tastemaker. And finally 1.5 teacups of boiling water.
Okay, you can stop now. It's 1 minute.
Are you serious?
Next thing says, in a mixing bowl, combine the all-purpose flour, water and oil to make a soft dough. Knead the dough until smooth, cover and rest for 15 minutes. And finally, water.
But it says water as needed. So what is that supposed to mean?
Also, it doesn't say salt.
Please don't make me make a dough without salt in it.
A little bit of salt. And as per all my recipes, for 2 cups of maida, I usually add about half to 3/4 cup of water depending on the recipe. So my rough dough is ready. I'm going to rest it on the side for 10 minutes. Moving on to the next step. Like I said, in a pan, heat some oil, saute the chopped onion, bell pepper, tomato and green chili. I'm assuming it's any neutral oil, which could be like sunflower or rice bran oil. Saute the chopped onion, bell pepper, tomato and green chili until softened. I'm going to add it all in the same sequence but without any time gap. And we officially have more vegetables than we have noodles.
Yay!
I'm actually excited to see what the pizza part is going to be. So next instruction, add the cooked Maggi noodles to the pan and mix well. And then it's time to add the garam masala, chili powder and salt. Again, salt. No instructions, no quantities. So I'm adding a tiny pinch. You all know Maggi masala already has salt in it. And a teaspoon each of garam masala and red chili powder. Again, time to mix well. This is done. That's it. I'm going to set this aside to cool down on a plate. Time to go back to the dough now and knead until smooth. Now I have my smooth and soft dough, so let's rest this baby for 5 minutes. My dough is soft, smooth and rested now. It's time to cut it into small portions. How big or how small we want to keep them, I think is up to us. Okay, time to roll it out. Okay, I think this is thin enough. It's now time to place 1 spoonful of the mixture, is all it says, on 1/2 of the paratha. And then it says sprinkle grated cheese on top. I already have some grated mozzarella, so that's what I'm going to add on top. Fold the other half of the paratha over the filling and seal the edges by pressing gently.
So we are making Maggi somas. Spicy Maggi Pizza Paratha for you.
A little bit of oil, Let's place them on. I'm gonna cook 2 at a time, but like I said, if you have tiny ones, I think you can make like 10 in one large pan. Perfectly golden. Let's cut and check now. Not bad. It says wedges, so I think I'm gonna do 3 triangles. Looks pretty good if you ask me. Now it's finally time to taste, but I'm not doing this alone. Come, Srinath.
Okay, first of all, this is not pizza.
Cheers. But at least once it's cut, it looks like a paratha, no?
Yeah.
I'll give it that.
Yeah. It's nice. I don't think this needs this much effort. Not worth it. You're dumb,
That's
GPT.
where I was getting to. Does it work? Yes. Is it worth it?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Just because this has cheese, this is not pizza. You're an idiot. You're an idiot.
Take that, ChatGPT. But if you guys want me to make another episode, drop it in the comments below.
Like the video. What else?
Share.
Yeah. Please do share the video and subscribe to Cooked for
Subscribe
more.
to Cooked. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the main thing.
Yeah. Next, we are gonna make an episode with Alexa. Yeah.